Ever wonder how lenders check a business's collateral, or how you can verify if an asset you want to purchase has a lien on it? Welcome to DBI Global Filings. In this video, we'll break down exactly what a UCC 11 search is, why it's important, and how you can use it to get the information you need. A UCC 11 is an official information request form submitted to a state's filing office, typically the Secretary of State's office. Its main purpose is to obtain a certified report of any existing UCC finance statements or other notices filed against a specific debtor or secured party. This search is crucial for due diligence. Lenders use it to see if a borrower's assets are already used as collateral for another loan. Buyers might use it to ensure an asset they're acquiring is free and clear of liens. It provides a clear snapshot of a debtor's secured transactions on public record. When filling out our online form, you need a few key pieces of information: the exact full legal name of the debtor you want to search and your own contact details so the results can be returned to you. You can also request a search based on a secured party's name. The UCC 11 form offers several options. You can request a search of all records or just active unlapsed filings. You can also specify if you want copies of the actual financing statements, just a listing of the records, or certified copies for legal purposes. We provide an official search certificate or report. This document lists all relevant UCC 1 financing statements on file, including the date and time of filing and the name and address of the secured party for each. This helps determine lien priority. We offer UCC 11 searches for all 50 states. We have an easy-to-use online order form. So once you get to this page on our website, and the way you get to there is go here, go to here, and this is for your searches. You select your state, and each state has its own fees. We charge $75 plus whatever the state charges. So understanding UCC 11 is a powerful tool for financial transparency and risk management. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more business and financial insights. See you next time.